Well, sir, I'm going to need to run a few tests on you to see if you were drunk at the scene of the accident. First, I'll need you to blow into this thing. But I have asthma. I can't do that. I might pass out or faint. Well, then I'll need to take a blood sample from your arm. But you can't do that. I'm a hemophiliac. If you do that, I'll bleed to death. Well, then I'll need you to walk straight. But I can't do that. Why not? Because I'm drunk. Ah, you admitted it. Now, you're sentenced to 20 years in prison. Don't drink and drive.